Welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the Android settings you need to turn off now. First is location services. Disabling this will prevent apps from accessing a device's GPS, Wi-Fi and mobile network location data. What you have to do is go to the notifications icon, and on the bottom you could see the location option. Simply press that option over here and simply turn off this option that says use location. You can typically find this in the location section of your device's settings also. And also turn off the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth also. This settings allows apps to scan for the Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices even when those features are turned off. So simply, if it's turned on, simply close it off your Bluetooth also. Disabling them can improve privacy and battery life. Look for this option in the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. And also app permissions. Regularly review and revoke permissions that app requests but do not necessarily need to function it. You can manage app permissions in the app. Go to the settings option right over here. Look out for the app management over here. Select that option. Go to the permission manager on the bottom, and you can manage app permission in these apps or application manager section of your device's setting. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.